just left Portimao. Today we're going on a little road trip for the day, like a little day trip, and we're heading to a place called Sagres, which is like one of the far corners of Portugal. It's like the furthest, I think, like southwest of Portugal. How long is it going to take?
About 55 minutes.
Yeah, about 55 minutes from Portimao, and then we'll land in Sagres. Not sure what's there. There's supposed to be some old forts and things like that from the past. And some of you may have heard of Sagres because, yeah, one of the like main Portuguese beers is called Sagres. I guess it's named after that. I know that they sell that in other countries. So yeah, we're heading there now, and yeah, we should be there soon. Alright, so we've arrived in Sagres now. The drive here was basically just like all countryside. You could probably see in those images that I just shot. Very dry right now, so it hasn't rained for like months. That's what my dad said anyway. We've come to some cliffs here. Seems to be a lighthouse in the distance that we'll check out soon. But yeah, the cliffs here look pretty insane. You're gonna see soon. Gotta walk on all these dodgy rocks. Should have brought my shoes. That's really high, isn't it? You been here before, Mom?
Yeah.
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 Couple times. So here it is, the cliff edge. Really high up right now. Yeah, you're pretty screwed if you fall in here. My dad was telling me that apparently a guy fell in recently, a fisherman. So yeah, and he died obviously, so gotta watch out. Seagulls coming in. And there's people, like old Portuguese men, fishing from this ledge. So they throw it in from up here all the way down there. Crazy. What, you cold?
It's very cold, right?
Yeah, cold wind. It's been like that every day in the Algarve actually. It's like really dry and really hot, but there's always this really like icy cold wind. Maybe it comes from the Arctic or something. What is this, Dad? Is this the same part as the lighthouse?
This is the lighthouse building, yeah.
That must be really old, right? Yeah, so here it says that lighthouse is from 1846. There you go, a restaurant. The leopard. There's a wild leopard in here. So out there's the Atlantic, right?
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, here. Like a 5-minute drive on from the lighthouse. We've now come to a beach. like within the cliffs. Really cool beach. Kind of like a hidden beach. So apparently this beach is normally popular for surfing. It's very calm right now, so yeah, there's no surfers here. And only a few people, not busy at all. We're down on the beach now. Really awesome looking beach. I don't think I've ever been on a beach like with cliffs this close, just surrounded by cliffs all the way around. And we're not really going to stay on the beach right now. I think later on in the day we'll go to another beach and then properly stay at the beach. But I am, however, going to test out the water temperature, because everyone always talks about how freezing it is here. So yeah, I'm going to test it out right now. You can see there isn't really that many people in there. Oh wow. It was like literally painful. That's how cold it was. I felt like my feet were going numb or something. So yeah, I don't know how it's going to be later staying at the beach. You'll see, Carol, it'll be the coldest you've ever seen.
I don't know. In Rio, sometimes it gets very cold. Like you're in pain when you get the water.
That's how I was right now. Maybe the same as Brazil then, Rio.
Yeah, but in Brazil we don't have the wind, so it's okay to go inside because it's too hot, so you just go and it's okay.
But either way, still incredibly beautiful. We've now come to the most popular place to visit here in Sagres. It's called Sagres Fort. I think it's like 400, 500 years old. And it was a fort that was made to defend the coast here from, I guess, invaders from North Africa. That's what I read anyway. And yeah, it looks like a huge fort. It's kind of like the other place we went where it's right on the cliffside. So €3 to enter. And yeah, we're just gonna head inside right now and check it out. So you can see how big the fort is here. And right in the distance in the background, you can see the lighthouse that we went to. So it's all pretty close. What is it? Europe starts here. Sagres. It is huge. Jesus. Where do we start?
Let's go around here, right?
Ah,
Go
at the top.
there, then walk down the wall and then round.
Yeah, okay. The free tour guides. So we come on the top floor now. It's only a second floor, not too high, but this place is absolutely massive, way bigger than I thought. So it looks like it's a pretty good deal for €3. Check this view here. Got a beach down there. It's a pretty big beach. And from here you can see actually how big this place is. So I think this is like the fort area, but you can go all the way back there. Another lighthouse. Here we got the rusty cannons.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice. That must be original, mustn't it?
Yeah,
Look at that.
Definitely.
Worn out. Have you ever been to that beach over there?
No.
No? Looks like a nice beach.
They are, yeah. All the beaches are here. The big that were down there.
Yeah, Algarve, every single beach is nice. Yeah. I've seen better days. I think here we got the old bathrooms. Do your business and then it falls down the cliff. Do your business, Carol. We've come to the other side of the fort now. So down here is where all the surfers are at. So you might not be able to see, but there's loads of surfers there. It's like hundreds of surfers. And then check this out, there's also a really old church within the fort. It's not every day I think you get a church inside a fort, right?
Yeah. I think they probably had the mass before people set off to sea.
How old is it?
It's around 1755. They rebuilt it because the first one was destroyed by the earthquake.
So it's still old either way.
Oh yeah, it's 1700.
Smallest church ever.
It's a chapel.
Oh, a chapel.
Yeah.
We've now come to the town of Sagres. We're just gonna get a bite to eat. It's like 2 p.m. and we haven't had lunch yet, so yeah, it seems like your typical kind of Algarve kind of town, the same style, same kind of buildings. So yeah, let's get some food. You gonna eat here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's okay.
So you can see here a lot of the fish dishes are around like 9, 10, 14 euros. I'm gonna get this one, filetes de pescado, fish fillet for 9 euros. And since I'm in Sagres, I'm gonna get a Sagres Black, which I think is 2 euros. National dark beer with a pleasant caramel taste. What did you guys get anyway? What is that?
Bacalhau baleeiro.
Bacalhau. Codfish. What about yours, Dad?
Bacalhau on the rice.
Oh yeah. Everybody's looks better than mine. Cheers. So we've come back to Portimão now, where my parents live, and they've just dropped us off at a place called Praia do Val, a beach. They said it's one of the nicest beaches around here. They don't really stay on beaches, so yeah, they just dropped me and Carol here, and apparently it's walking distance to their house. So yeah, we're just gonna check this beach out now. It's very windy, so like that cold wind like I mentioned before, and yeah, the water should be freezing as well, but yeah, I think we're just gonna hang out here and like sunbathe a bit. So we found our spot for the day, a quiet spot. So over there was all like the sunbeds and stuff, but here is just more people with like sunbathing towels. Got this pretty cool big ass rock here in front of us. Not many people around this part. So they say to not sunbathe too close to these cliffs because it has been known for like rocks to fall and people get injured and stuff, so there's loads of signs. So that's why nobody is really sunbathing that close to it. You gonna go in the water, Carol?
I don't think so.
No. You can see there's like one little kid, that's it. Nobody else going in. Even on this side, pretty much nobody. I think I'm gonna go in. My knees are numb already. Jesus. God damn it. I think I've been in rivers this cold, but not ocean. Really is beautiful here though. Look at that. Carol. Just run. It's nice and warm, come on. Carol's a pro, Rio is like this.
Sometimes, yeah.
You should be in there already then. She's doing it. We're heading back to my parents' house now. Just gonna walk there. I think it's like 20-30 minute walk. Yeah, it's a really nice walk. You can walk along the coast. I'll just show you quickly. Loads of just little hidden beaches everywhere. So you can see the people down here. That looks like a beautiful color as well. And then you can basically just keep walking all the way down here and beaches will keep appearing. So pretty amazing. What is it?
Big rock.
Oh yeah, cool. I wonder if you can go down there. Check this little beach out. You got this and then like a little arch here in this rock. You can actually walk further up here. And we have seagulls. Hello seagulls. Angry seagulls. That's weird, they usually fly off, but none of those were flying away, I don't know why. But yeah, you could see how cool that beach was. And then the other one I showed you before is just over here. Look at that. What is wrong with these possessed seagulls? Demon seagulls, what's wrong with you? They're standing their ground. There's actually 2 people down there, so I guess you can get to this secret beach around the coast. I don't know. What is wrong with these seagulls? Jesus. Alright, let's go. And I think in the next video it's going to be more like beaching and stuff. We're planning on doing some really cool kayaking around a place called Lagos. We're going to try and do that tomorrow morning, so that should be cool. And then I think later on just some more beaches down the coast, so that's what's coming up. So yeah, another amazing day here in the Algarve. Really been loving it here. Everything is just beautiful, so many cool things to do it seems. So thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to help support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.